Welcome back to Project RSX. We're on episode 15. In the last episode, I went and installed some coilovers, some TN Street Advanced Z, very necessary upgrade. Today's episode going to be a good one. We're going to install an Invidia Q300 exhaust on the RSX Type S. So get ready for that. Yeah. So before we begin, let me just show you guys what my car sounded like before I changed my exhaust. Some of you guys are going to be tripping out thinking, you already did something to your exhaust, why are you going to replace the exhaust? No, my exhaust sounds like that because my muffler is completely disconnected. It's just hanging on by the hangers. It's not safe. My exhaust system is rusted. It just sounds loud because the muffler is not even part of it at this point. You know, people at work are like, "Oh, Manny, it sounds cool. You know, your car's loud. You know, we could hear you when you show up to work late." Nah, none of that. We're doing this the right way. Another part I'm replacing is my catalytic converter because when I'm driving on the highways, my engine light comes on, and when I searched up the code, it said catalyst efficiency below threshold. So I just suspected it to be clogged, and I'm like, I'm gonna be there anyways, might as well replace it. But this one is just a cheap one I bought off eBay. I thought it would have been fine, but then I realized that it only has one O2 sensor hole, and there's supposed to be two. So I can't use, I believe, my upstream O2 sensor, which is like, alright, great. But that's okay, we're still going to install this catalytic converter later on in life. You know, I'll probably get like headers and downpipe. So this is all temporary. First of all, this is just completely disintegrated. Just absolutely gonzo. So every time I hit a bump, goes boom, boom, boom. Muffler's completely detached. So this has to be changed. Regardless, all the rest of it was just rusty. It gets rusty all the way. Here's the cat, and the cat, I think it's clogged because I got a code for it the other day when I was on the highway. The efficiency code for the catalytic converter. This is actually super fucking dangerous. You come on this side, you see this? That shit was barely hanging on, like just like boom, baby. Oh. Look at that. If I hit a nasty pothole, this is gonna be scraping the ground. It's very necessary that I'm doing this. After the cat, it's supposed to be a 3-bolt flange. This pipe was just welded on here, and then you got your cat back. No resonator. If I want to put this guy on, I need to have that 3-bolt flange you're gonna see later on. So I need to change this regardless. Holy Robbie. Enough. Just gonna have to get rid of this cat right here, and then the rest of the piping, and then replace it with the new, and then we're gonna see how this thing sounds. My car's pretty loud right now, so, and I do have an oil leak from the VTEC solenoid gasket. You see right there, that's the gasket. I thought it was the oil filter at first. I didn't look at it properly. There's stuff to do on this car, but for now I want to change the exhaust, so let's get that. It's time to show you guys the goodies. This is the Invidia Q300 exhaust. You could get the N1, that's a different model. I wanted the Q300. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's quieter. I didn't want the N1. I didn't want a super loud car. I want something with a low rumble. You're gonna see how this sounds afterwards. You let me know what you think. I'll show you guys what comes in this. It's about $1,000 exhaust, probably more in US, but for Canadian, I got hooked up though. I only paid $900. You're gonna see here. I'll show you guys everything that's inside. Yo, look at the sticker. You see the sticker? I didn't even want the exhaust. I just wanted the sticker. First pipe. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Can we just like give respect to that? Yo, look at that. That shit is fucking shiny as hell. This shit is done nice. Put this here. There's a resonator. Oh my god. 5 stars. Look at the resonator. See the muffler?
Holy shit, look at the back.
Big cocky. Big cocky. No, this is nice. Look at this.
That is sweet.
Right? Like Invidia on the side. Nothing etched in there.
This is Handy Manny at work. Spot the difference.
I'm a slow part. Oh, hello, Manny.
Yeah, boy. You got that muffler off, boy. You see this thing? We don't want this thing.
Small cocky.
Small cocky. Big cocky? Oh, cocky.
Everyone say bye to Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa.
Before we continue with the show, we bring to you a very special, super intense casual moment with Riza, one of our senior techs. Enjoy.
Just wait. Walk close. Say something. Brazil Squad.
Say Godzilla Squad.
At this moment, Riza thought of the greatest thing he could possibly say.
ManiZilla.
At this point, I'm motivated. That was the single-handedly most greatest thing you could ever take that long to say. It's time to change this damn exhaust. You see how bad it is? We're gonna start with the cat. Top of the catalytic converter, 2 bolts. Let's knock those out. Boom, we knock out the first one. That's one. And boom, there's the second one. Top of the cat, disconnected. What's next? O2 sensors. We gotta disconnect those. You see the zip tie right here? Kill that zip tie. Then we're gonna disconnect this O2 sensor. Boom, making good progress. We gotta do the upstream one. This next one, a little bit tricky spot. That's okay, we got the tools. We got Riza's motivation. ManiZilla. Handy Manny, where you at? Where are you at? Lastly, the only thing holding in my exhaust. This hanger right here. That hanger does not know what's coming. That hanger does not know what's coming. ManiZilla. Watch me carry this thing out like it's a dead body. ManiZilla. The shop is not safe. We can't just leave these O2 sensors in there. They think they're safe in there. They're never safe. No matter how seized you are, no matter how stubborn and stuck, you just don't understand. You don't know that anyone can do anything. A wise technician told me that. It was probably Riza's grandfather. You see, now we're making great progress. Now things are getting put together. What are we putting together right now? The cat. What does the cat say? Meow. Whole lot of kittens in a room full of dogs. One of my dogs, Rob Dog. Obviously you gotta help me out. You gotta lay the pipe down with your boys. How are you just gonna let your boy lay the pipe down by himself? It's like another wise technician told me. Any man can lay any pipe, only if his boy's there with him. Come on, bro. Just some of you guys just don't get it. You just don't understand. After I put this exhaust together, I'm gonna go check Handy Manny and I'm gonna jump his ass for freaking identity theft. There's only one real Handy Manny, and it's not some fucking cartoon character. It's the real deal. It's the ManiZilla. I'm gonna catch that guy one day after he's done closing his shop. I'm gonna take his stupid white and orange cap off his head and punch him in his face while his tool's watching. But on a real note, we're pretty much almost done. Just the muffler left to put in. Robbie gets a little excited, starts fisting the tailpipe. Whatever, I let him be. That's Rob Dog. Let him do his thing, you know? He claims it's a fist test. He really just wanted to shove his fist in the tailpipe. After we tighten these last few bolts, we're done. Look at that tip. Look at the tip. Big ass tip. It's time, moment of truth. It's a nice slow rumble. I like it, bro. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. And that's a job done right there. This installment was definitely worth it. This car looks a lot better now. My RSX with the Invidia Q300 exhaust looks better, sounds a lot better in my opinion. My car now drives a lot better too. There's no excessive back pressure. Catalytic converter is changed. All this looks nice now. No safety hazards. It's not going to fall apart, and I'm happy with it. And shout out to every single person that helped me in this video. I love you guys. You guys are always a part of Zilla Squad.
Zilla Squad in full effect. Let's go.
Is that proper orientation?
No, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, bitch. ManiZilla.
Man, that's just going viral.